So welcome to Arknote Media Global YouTube channel. This course is hosted by Arknote Academy. Yeah, so in this video I'll be teaching you on how to create something like this using AI.
Are you ready to master the art of email marketing and grow your online community like a pro? Join the unbeatable course on expert email marketing brought to you by Arknote Academy. From building a powerful email list using free campaign templates to boosting open rates with AI, this course has it all, plus 100% mentorship. Starts July 15th, 2024, and guess what? Pre-order now for just 3,500 Naira till June 26th for the first 200 participants. Register today at www.sela.co/EEM course. Let's turn your emails into income.
The first thing you need to do is to bring in the flyer. You must have designed the flyer, then just bring it and drag it here. Yeah, so after doing that, we must be able to create a prompt. Like, we must be able to create something that that we want to generate, or should I say, yeah, a prompt that we want AI to help us with, you understand? So, and you must be able to express yourself clearly, because one thing about AI is what you give in is what you receive back. So we must be able to construct a good prompt. How do we want ChatGPT to act? So we want to say, as a content creator, can you see? So with this, we can then modify, maybe edit certain things that we don't want in the script. Do you understand? So, well, for me, I think it's good like this. And after that, we move on to another AI platform that will help us to generate the voiceover, like the audio voiceover of this script. I'll be sharing with you the AI platform that we'll be using to generate the audio voiceover. So I have two options, but I would only be walking through with you guys on only one AI platform. So we have this rig, and we have the other one, which is called ttsmaker.com. Yeah, so but we'll be using this to generate the audio voiceover. So just go on creek.com, and here you have the permission to select the language and the character voice. So you can select as many as you can. You can only pick one at a go. So I'll be selecting UK. So this Ryan, I already copied the generated script. So here we have our script pasted in the box. It is best advisable to check through your script, edit the necessary things, and please pay attention to these details. Number one, because most of these AI platforms might not be able to pronounce your scripts properly. You understand? So what you need to do is, you can actually write them out in words. Do you understand? So there are some that, maybe in signs, maybe in terms of signs or icon, the AI platform might not be able to identify the correct pronunciation. So like this Naira sign, it's best advisable to just put it in Naira, like this, like in words. Now, before I do that, I want to play the way it is. I'm going to play it, and you guys should get to see what I'm talking about. Do you understand? So I'm not changing anything now. So you click on generate, and after generating, you have the audio down here. So let's click on generate. Now this is the generated audio voiceover Now let's play and listen to it.
Are you ready to master the art of email marketing and grow your online community like a pro? Join the unbeatable course on expert email marketing, brought to you by Arknote Academy. From building a powerful email list using free campaign templates to boosting open rates with AI, this course has it all, plus 100% mentorship. Starts July 15th, 2024, and guess what? Pre-order now for just #3 till June 26th.
Can you see what I'm saying? #3500, which is not the proper pronunciation. Do you understand? So let's continue. So what we're going to do is the hashtag or the hash whatever, we're going to remove it, change it to words. Do you understand? Sorry, naira. And these 3000, I would prefer to put them all in words. Okay, yeah, so let's generate again, then we'll listen to it.
Are you ready to master the art of email marketing and grow your online community like a pro? Join the unbeatable course on expert email marketing, brought to you by Arknote Academy. From building a powerful email list using free campaign templates to boosting open rates with AI, this course has it all, plus 100% mentorship. Starts July 15th, 2024, and guess what? Pre-order now for just 3,500 naira till June 26th for the first 200 participants. Register today at www.sela.co/EEM course. Let's turn your emails into income.
So can you see we got it perfectly now? So it's very important that whatsoever you are putting in to AI must be properly addressed. You must be able to express yourself clearly to any AI platform. Either you want to maybe generate text, generate videos, generate audio, just like what we are doing now. So it's very important that you communicate properly. Click on this download and you have it here. Can you see? Now the next thing we need to do is to bring our flyer and our audio voiceover together to the video editing software where we do the whole magic.